What's up everybody? Today I'll be making the ultimate oatmeal raisin cookies, and they are super delicious, super flavorful. All you need to do is follow a few tips and follow the steps and you'll have amazing results. First up, I'll be starting with the ingredients that you'll be needing. I have some raisins and I added some hot water to it, just enough to cover. This is gonna plump up your raisins and make them extra delicious. I have some flour, some old-fashioned oats, some ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, some cornstarch, and salt, and also baking powder. I have some molasses, some vanilla extract, some white sugar, and some packed brown sugar, eggs at room temperature, butter at room temperature, and that's basically all the ingredients that you'll be needing. For the tools, I have a KitchenAid with a paddle attachment. You can also do this by hand, but of course it will take longer. I also have 2 baking sheet pans lined with silicone, or you can also use parchment. I have a rubber spatula and a scooper to keep nice, even looking cookies. And that's basically everything. So now let's get started. I'll bring you in a little closer so you see the mixing process. So the first thing you'll do is you'll drain your raisins, try to get all the water out of it. So now for the mixing process, I'll add my butter in first. And now I'll add my sugars to the butter. And I'll drop this down. And I'll set this on medium and let it just incorporate. So you want your butter and sugar to cream and come together. So at this point, halfway point, I'll lift this up, brush down the edges, and this will give you a nice even mixed cookie. And you want all the sugar to be dissolved in the butter. And now I'll add my molasses. So after about 1.5 minutes on medium, this is what you're looking for. It'll probably double in volume. This is when you know you're on the right track. You'll just brush down the edges again. Now it's time to add your eggs. And now what I'll do is I'll brush the edges down once more. And this just helps to have a great end result. Your cookies are gonna look much better once they're well mixed and everything is equally incorporated. I'm gonna add my vanilla. At this point, I'll add all of my spices. And now I'll add my salt, cornstarch, and my baking powder. And I'll turn this down to its lowest setting before I start adding my flour and oats. And now you'll turn it to the lowest setting again, and you'll add your plump raisins. Make sure to drain your raisins. And you'll let that mix for about 30 seconds. And boom, that's basically it. That's all you're looking for. I have my sheet trays. And now I'll use about a 2-ounce scooper. You can use whatever scooper you would like. And I'll add this to my tray. So now I'll add these to the refrigerator. So here are your cookies. They've been in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Now I'll pop them in the oven. The oven is set at 350 and you want to bake these for 12 minutes. You're going to rotate after 6 and you'll have beautiful looking cookies. So now I'll pop these in the oven. So here are your beautiful oatmeal raisin cookies, and what you'll do, you'll transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. So here are these beautiful cookies. Now I'll break into one of them. And as you can see, nice and soft and chewy. Beautiful looking cookies. There it is, your beautiful oatmeal raisin cookies. They are simply amazing. They are the ultimate oatmeal raisin cookies. They're packed with flavor and you'll love this recipe, I promise you. So now it's my favorite time. Now it's time to try these cookies. These are so amazing. I promise you, you will love these cookies. Oh my gosh. So thank you for watching. Please try this delicious oatmeal raisin cookie. It is the ultimate cookie. I promise you will love it. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Drop some comments below. And if you love this video, please share it. And please subscribe. Thank you.